Hello friends, welcome to Learn One. In previous lecture, we have learned the practicals of block variable with global scope, and today we will learn about the theory portion of exception introduction. What are the exceptions, how to work with exception, and how to deal and resolve the exceptions if any occur to our code. An exception is a special kind of object. It is an instance of a class exception, or it is a descendant of that class. Whenever any exception occurs, it will stop the program execution. Exception indicates that something has gone wrong. When any exception is occurred, it will be thrown or raised. Here in a screen you can see some example class of exceptions: no memory error, signal error, script error, and standard error. In next lecture we will see the theory portion of handling exception in Ruby.